Norfolk Iron Metal is a family-owned steel company. It started in 1908. We both distribute and fabricate metal products ranging all the way from carbon steel to stainless steel, aluminum, all different shapes and sizes. So we have use cases really across the whole company, sales, inventory management, transportation and logistics, warehouse optimization. So yeah, it really kind of touches everything. So we kind of see two camps. One, there are people that already use data, but this will make it easier for them to use data and faster. And then the second group is people who don't currently use data, and we're hoping that this makes it easy enough for them to start using it. We have a lot of sales reps that are out on the road. The data is just not accessible. They need it while they're mobile. So it's not practical to pull out your laptop, start looking through dashboards and reports. The generative AI platform makes it a lot easier for them to pull out a mobile device like a tablet, get their questions answered, and have the data right there for them. When our machine goes down, our operator immediately calls the machine manufacturer and sits on the phone for a couple hours. And for that entire time, our machine is not running. So we want our operator assistant use case to be the first place that they go, even if it can solve 20% to 50% of our machine downtime. That's huge. Inventory is very important. We're looking for inventory optimization, which is obviously in the name. And so we want to obviously limit scenarios where we don't have enough inventory and we limit our sales. And we also want to limit scenarios where we have too much inventory and it takes time for us to sell that inventory. So we're looking for benefits on both sides. The other part is we are selling a commodity. Our purchasing team is having to make decisions kind of based on gut feel in certain circumstances. And so we're trying to include as much of that as possible in the application so that ultimately we can get to the point where we're automating some of those decisions. We love how the C3 team and the C3 applications help us get started quickly and get something that's valuable quickly. But a big important thing for us in all these projects is we want to be able to build on that. And so being able to use the C3 platform to continue to build on the projects that we did in a pilot is important, and we're excited and to continue doing that.